Hello. I'd like to say something about some of the material we read in this course, which sometimes contains offensive and even racist language. And here I'll use A Rose for Emily as an example. A Rose for Emily is surely a story that includes racist language. Material like this begs the question, why have I chosen to include it? Why not simply choose a different story? Well, I really do want to address the importance of that question and do my best to answer it. Literature is history. It's a written account of who we were and what societies were like at any given point in time. If we censor the reading of particular pieces of literature, it is akin to censoring history. All the time, we see attempts made to censor history through the use of language. The editorial Politicized Curriculum in Texas, which was published in the New York Times on May 25th of 2010, reveals that the Texas State Board of Education attempted to rename slave trade as Atlantic Triangular Trade. Well, we should remember that Texas is responsible for publishing textbooks that are used in school systems all over the United States. Nothing in the term Atlantic Triangular Trade identifies slavery as the type of trade this country was involved in. Is the current generation to grow up without understanding that the very prevalent role slavery played in the United States? When we censor who we are as a people, or even who we were as a people, we run the risk of failing to learn from our mistakes. If we censor the realities of, for example, Holocaust literature, we run the risk of failing to recognize current and future monsters and madmen because we will have forgotten the atrocities committed by Hitler and Stalin. Even without censoring literature and history, the world has currently watched the genocide in Darfur without taking much action. How much more would we allow evil deeds to proliferate if we had no sense of the horrific acts perpetuated throughout history? We must have a sense of where we have come from if we are to measure how far we've come. A Rose for Emily is a story with racist language. When it was published in 1932, many of its readers probably did not react to its language in the way we react to it today. To some 1932 readers, it was not offensive. The fact that parts of the story are offensive to us speaks to how far we have come as a people. It speaks to the importance of literature as a historical record. We should be free to read, and we should be mindful to remember.